This is a Motorola G85 mobile. I have been using this mobile for a couple of days now. In this video, you will see this mobile gaming review. I'll share more insights about this mobile in between this video, so stick till the end. Before starting the test, here are some information about the mobile settings. The brightness is set to 50% and automatic brightness is turned off. I'm using dark theme because my eyes thank me for this. Here is the list of games I'm going to play in this video. I added the games based on the comments of previous mobile gaming review. You can share the games which you want to see in future gaming review. Type the game in comment and you're done. The ambient temperature of this room is 27.7 degrees Celsius. Now I'm checking the initial temperature of the mobile. It's 28.7 degrees Celsius on the front and 28.7 degrees Celsius on the back side. Right now the battery is at 100%. This video is useful for those who are planning to buy this mobile for gaming. After every game, I'm going to check the battery percentage and the maximum temperature of the mobile body. I connected to the Wi-Fi and one single SIM card I'm using in this one. Let's start the first game on our list. It's PUBG. And also, I turned on the stopwatch for time reference and transparency. This mobile is powered by a Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset. This is a 6nm build chipset. If you compare this processor with the Snapdragon 695, this is more powerful than that. Coming to the model, I'm using 128GB internal storage with 8GB RAM. This display is supported by a 120Hz refresh rate that gives a smooth feel while using. I'm not using any back edge to this mobile during this entire gameplay. I don't know whether this Moto G85 comes with a cooling system or not. I checked the official website, they didn't mention anything about the cooling system. I'll share whether it is performing well or not in the final part of this video. I'm fast forwarding the video because you want to see the results, not the progress. After 8 minutes of continuous PUBG gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 98%, the temperature on the display side is 36 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 35.5 degrees Celsius. After seeing these temperatures, I can say that this is not overheating up to now. Let's understand this even more after playing some more games. Now I'm going to play another game called Shadow Fight 5. This Moto G85 comes with a curved display. For this price, this is crazy. In previous game, I didn't notice any lags or frame drops. While playing this Shadow Fight, I observed some more heating on the display side. Also, the sound that is coming from the speaker is vibrating the device at the middle area. The sound is not evenly distributed. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 97%. The temperature on the front side is 38.8 degrees Celsius and on the back side it's 38.2 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to play another game, Asphalt 8. Nowadays everyone wants an all-rounder mobile that lasts for at least 2 or more years, which is nice and good for the environment also. I recommend you buy at least a mid-range or above mid-range or maybe a flagship mobile according to your needs. While buying any mobile, think like it's a long-term purchase so that even though you invest a high amount initially, but for long-term it's worth it. That's why I say this to my friends, cheap is costly to maintain. Even while I playing this game also, I noticed some warmth on the display area when compared to backside. Also, you notice that I'm not using any back edge to this mobile. Some frame drops and lags I noticed during this gameplay. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. The battery is at 96%, the temperature on the display side is 37.5 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 37.4 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to play another game called Train Pro USA. This is a train simulation game. The description box contains all the game's links. This simulation game is one of my favorites. This Moto G85 comes with great additional features that are useful for most of the time in everyday use. I'm planning to make a dedicated video regarding this. Also, I'm posting dedicated videos on cameras, battery drain test, charging test, etc. If in case you are watching this video lately, check the video links in the description box. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it. Not even 1% of you are not subscribed this channel. If you want this type of testing and unbiased gadget reviews, You can show support by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell icon to the side of it. While playing this game, I noticed even more heating on the display side because this is a heavy graphic integrated game. But no lags I noticed. The touch response is good. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 95%. The temperature on the display side is 39.5 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 38.8 degrees Celsius. If you observe here, the temperatures are changing from game to game. This is because due to the graphics and the performance it needs from the processor for a particular game. Now I'm going to play another game called Call of Duty. If we consider the gaming centric mobiles, there are very limited and different brands are releasing nowadays. The main reason according to me is no one is ready to buy a gaming centric mobile these days. They want an all-rounder mobile. They want good cameras, good battery backup, good extra features, lightweight to hold, slim design, can handle games and more. These all are not possible in only gaming mobiles. This Moto G85 comes with a 5000 mAh battery capacity with a maximum charging speed of 33 watts. As of now, I am impressed with the battery. Even though it comes with a curved panel and with 120Hz refresh rate, the battery backup time is good. Even while playing this game also, I noticed it heating on the display side. Most of the games that I am playing in this gaming test are above and heavy graphic integrated ones. So obviously heating will come from the mobile. I'm not checking the RAM management here because due to the gaming mode option, the background apps are going to be killed by the software to run the present game smoothly. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 93%, the temperature on the display side is 39.8 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 39.2 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to play another game, Free Fire. This is the most demanding and liked game after PUBG. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 93%, the temperature on the display side is 38.2 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 37.8 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to play another game called eFootball. This is the first time I'm playing this game, so please don't judge me about my gaming skills. I'm new to this type of football games. This game handled pretty good, no lags and no frame drops. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 92%, the temperature on the display side is 37.9 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 37.3 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to play another game called Genshin Impact. This type of role-playing games are really fun. They make the player to immerse completely into the game. If you notice these type of role-playing games, they are getting popular from the past years. The best example for this type of games is PUBG. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 90%. The temperature on the display side is 39.2 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 38.5 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to play another game called Solo Leveling. This is also a role-playing game. This is the first time I'm playing this. In the previous video, one of the person commented to play this game. That's why I'm playing in this video. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, these are the results. Battery is at 88%. The temperature on the display side is 40.8 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 40.5 degrees Celsius. Finally, the gaming verdict is here. This mobile is crossing 40 degrees Celsius during the game that I played just now. This new Snapdragon processor is good for handling any game that is not too graphic oriented. So whether this mobile suited for gaming? Yes, but not. If you play occasional games, it's okay to hold this mobile for some time. But for heavy gaming, no, this is not. You notice a lot of heating issues. You can play any game, but warm you notice while holding the mobile. Also do note that if the ambient temperature is different than mine, then you notice even more increasing in the temperature of the mobile. So just take this video as a reference. If you want to know what are the things you will get inside this mobile package, click this video.